Stop struggling with words. Today, you'll learn 100 park words to speak English confidently. Let's start. Swing. Swing. Children love the blue swing. Slide. Slide. The yellow slide is very fast. Picnic. Picnic. We had a picnic last Sunday. Blanket. Blanket. Put the blanket on the grass. Bench. Bench. An old man sits on the bench. Path. Path. Follow the path to the lake. Tree. Tree. The oak tree gives great shade. Grass. Grass. Do not walk on the green grass. Flower. Flower. She picked a small red flower. Pond. Pond. Ducks swim in the quiet pond. Duck. Duck. Feed the ducks some healthy seeds. Gate. Gate. Please close the park gate now. Lantern. Lantern. The lantern lights up the night. Seesaw. Seesaw. Two friends play on the seesaw. Sandbox. Sandbox. Kids build castles in the sandbox. Frisbee. Frisbee. Throw the frisbee to your dog. Kite. Kite. My kite flies high in the sky. Jogging. Jogging. He goes jogging every morning early. Bicycle. Bicycle. Park your bicycle near the fence. Helmet. Helmet. Always wear a helmet while cycling. If you are enjoying this vocabulary list, please like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more English lessons. Basket. Basket. Carry the food in a basket. Cooler. Cooler. Keep the drinks in the cooler. Ball. Ball. Kick the ball into the net. Racket. Racket. I bought a new tennis racket. Skateboard. Skateboard. He fell off his wooden skateboard. Sunscreen. Sunscreen. Put on sunscreen before you play. Hat. Hat. Wear a hat in the sun. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. These sunglasses protect my eyes well. Snack. Snack. Pack a healthy snack for later. Sandwich. Sandwich. I ate a ham sandwich today. Juice. Juice. Drink some fresh orange juice now. Book. Book. Read a book under the tree. Camera. Camera. Take a photo with your camera. Squirrel. Squirrel. The squirrel hides a small nut. Bud. Bud. A blue bird sings a song. Butterfly. Butterfly. Look at the colorful butterfly fly. Bee. Bee. A bee sits on the flower. Ladybug. Ladybug. The ladybug is small and red. Pebble. Pebble. Throw a pebble into the water. Bush. Bush. A rabbit hides behind the bush. Leaf. Leaf. The brown leaf fell down today. Branch. Branch. Birds sit on the long branch. Acorn. Acorn. I found an acorn on ground. Gazebo. Gazebo. We waited under the white gazebo. Fountain. Fountain. The fountain sprays cold water daily. When visiting a park, always check the opening hours on the sign near the entrance to avoid arriving when it's closed. Statue. Statue. The statue stands in the center. Bridge. Bridge. Walk slowly across the wooden bridge. Pavilion. Pavilion. People dance inside the large pavilion. Restroom. Restroom. The restroom is near the playground. Trash. Trash. Put your trash in the bin. Grill. Grill. We cooked meat on the grill. Charcoal. Charcoal. The charcoal is very hot now. Tongs. Tongs. Use the tongs for the food. Hammock. Hammock. I slept in a comfortable hammock. Whistle. Whistle. The coach blew a loud whistle. Stopwatch. Stopwatch. Check the time on the stopwatch. Sneakers. Sneakers. Wear your sneakers for the walk. Shorts. Shorts. He wears blue shorts in summer. Jersey. Jersey. Put on your team sports jersey. Towel. Towel. Dry your hands with a towel. Shade. Shade. It is cool in the shade. Sunlight. Sunlight. The bright sunlight feels very warm. Breeze. Breeze. A light breeze cools the air. Puddle. Puddle. Do not jump in the puddle. Trail. Trail. This trail leads to the mountain. In English, we use the word trail for paths in nature or forests, while path is used for paved walkways in city parks. Sign. Sign. Read the sign for the rules. Map. Map. Check the map for the exit. Entrance. Entrance. Meet me at the park entrance. Exit. Exit. The exit is past the trees. Parking. Parking. The parking lot is quite full. Monkey. Monkey. The boy climbs the monkey bars. Tunnel. Tunnel. Crawl through the long plastic tunnel. Merry-go-round. Merry-go-round. The merry-go-round spins very fast. Rider. Rider. The spring rider is for kids. Jungle. Jungle. Kids play on the jungle gym. Deck. Deck. We sat on the wooden deck. Amphitheater. Amphitheater. Watch the play at the amphitheater. Yoga. Yoga. They do yoga on the grass. Meditation. Meditation. Meditation helps you feel very calm. Walking. Walking. Walking is good for your health. Running. Running. He is running around the track. Cycling. Cycling. Cycling is a fun weekend activity. Birdwatching. Birdwatching. Birdwatching requires a lot of patience. Dog. Dog. Walk your dog on a leash. 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 Keep the dog on a leash. Fence. Fence. Do not climb over the fence. Net. Net. The tennis net is very low. Goal. Goal. He kicked the ball into goal. Referee. Referee. The referee watches the game closely. Coach. Coach. The coach teaches the young players. Use the specific word playground when you are talking about the area with equipment like swings and slides for children. Team. Team. Our team won the soccer game. Player. Player. Every player must wear a uniform. 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 My sports uniform is bright green. Cup. Cup. Drink water from the plastic cup. Napkin. Napkin. Use a napkin for your face. Plate. Plate. Put the cookies on the plate. Fork. Fork. Eat your salad with a fork. Spoon. Spoon. Use a spoon for the soup. Knife. Knife. Be careful with the sharp knife. Backpack. Backpack. Put the map in your backpack. You've just mastered 100 words. Subscribe now to continue your English dream. See you next time.